Vladimir Putin has claimed victory in Russia's presidential election.
Xi Jinping has become the most powerful leader in China in decades.
It definitely cannot be called an election.
Демократичны ли у нас выборы или нет? Я считаю, что демократичны.
Why is it so that even after elections being held and leaders getting elected by the elections, these countries are not considered democracies? Well, there are many reasons for that. Lack of credible opposition, though not the only reason, yet is the most important one. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Election Series. In previous episode, we talked about the historical background of the elections in India. And continuing that, today we will discuss about the role of political parties in elections. What do you think these political parties do? Do they actually serve any purpose? Or they are merely a burden on the society? Let's find out. Actually, in a democratic political system, political parties play a vital role in shaping the political landscape and representing diverse viewpoints. Through parties, citizens find a means to express their preferences and participate in the political process. The multiplicity of parties is particularly important for a thriving democracy as it fosters competition, encourages diversity of opinion, and ultimately strengthens governance. However, in certain countries such as China and Russia, the absence of a robust multi-party system stifles political freedoms and diminishes the effectiveness of democracy. So, now the visual that we showed you in the beginning of this video must be making more sense, right? Another key advantage of a multi-party system is its ability to represent a wide range of perspectives and interests. In a pluralistic society, individuals hold varying opinions on how a country should be governed. A multi-party system provides citizens with multiple options, allowing them to find a party that aligns with their beliefs and values. This diversity of choices fosters political engagement and increases participation in the electoral process. As surprising as it may be, but India has 6 national parties, more than 50 state parties, and more than 2,700 unrecognized parties. What a plethora of choices we have. When multiple parties compete in elections, it creates an environment where parties must work hard to appeal to voters and earn their support. This competition drives parties to prosper policies that are responsive to the needs of the electorate and to seek innovative solutions to complex problems. It also ensures that parties remain accountable to voters, as citizens can hold them responsible for the actions at the ballot box. Not just this, a multi-party system fosters open dialogue and debate on important issues. Through healthy competition, parties challenge one another's ideas and offer alternative perspectives. This dynamic exchange helps to sharpen policy proposals and exposes weakness in certain platforms. It also encourages compromise and collaboration between parties, which is essential for effective governance in a diverse society. Similar situation is not there in countries like China and Russia, where a single party system dominates. Political pluralism is severely limited. This lack of diversity in political representation can stifle the free exchange of ideas and suppress dissenting voices. When only one party holds power, it often monopolizes decision-making and undermines the principles of checks and balances that are integral to democracy. Single-party systems can also erode civil liberties and suppress fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, assembly, and the press. Without meaningful political competition, the ruling party may feel emboldened to crack down on opposition voices and control information. This can lead to a climate of fear and self-censorship, stifling open discourse and limiting citizens' ability to hold the government accountable. A single party system often leads to a concentration of power in the hands of the ruling elite. This can result in authoritarian governance, where the ruling party uses its control over institutions to maintain its dominance and suppress any form of opposition. The absence of meaningful checks and balances can pave the way for corruption, nepotism, and the abuse of power. A multi-party system provides citizens with greater political freedom and agency. By offering a variety of choices, it allows individuals to actively participate in shaping their country's future. This, in turn, empowers people and fosters a sense of ownership and pride in the democratic process. The presence of multiple parties in a democracy helps ensure that no single party can dominate the political landscape indefinitely. This, in turn, promotes stability and resilience in the system. A multi-party setup encourages parties to collaborate and form coalitions, which can lead to more inclusive and representative governance. In an increasingly interconnected world, countries face complex challenges that require nuanced and thoughtful solutions. A multi-party system, by representing diverse viewpoints, can better address these challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. This flexibility allows democratic nations to navigate local and global issues effectively. The role of political parties in elections cannot be understated. A vibrant multi-party system is essential for a healthy democracy, as it fosters competition, accountability, and representation. To truly thrive, democracies must embrace a multi-party system that encourages open dialogue, promotes diverse perspectives, and strengthens the relationship between citizens and their government. By doing so, nations can build a more inclusive, equitable, and resilient future for all. So, from next time, refrain from cursing political parties and politicians as mere troublemakers in the governance process. They are equally important. So, that's all in today's episode. See you in the next episode where we will be discussing about electoral reforms. Stay tuned.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.